I've tried out so many skincare products, but let's talk about the ones that I have repurchased the most. Hi everyone, my name is Alex. I wanted to make a video of products that I have repurchased the most and some products that are off and on in my routine. These are more the products that I fall back on and I know my skin loves, but I like to keep some on hand. I do have full reviews to all of these products and they are all older products I have tried a while ago because obviously I need to have tried them a long time ago to repurchase them as much as I have. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this video. Starting this list, I want to talk about Prequel's cleanser that has been such an amazing hydrating and nourishing face cleanser for any season. Because I am combination, I found it is perfectly balanced. It is a little bit more moisturizing of a cleanser in advertising, but I feel like it is very balanced. It does a great job to purify my skin without being too stripping and works great for my acne prone skin as well to soothe my face, deliver some nourishing benefits to the skin while also being an effective cleanser. I want to also talk about Prequel's Urea moisturizer because it is such a great moisturizing option for the face and the body. I love this product on my face, but I also love using it all over because urea is a natural moisturizing factor that works so well to keep my skin feeling smooth, promote regular skin hydration, and also be a go-to daily moisturizer that just works so amazing. I also love using this product on my feet because of the great benefits of urea. I put a sock on right after using this, and it is a great moisturizing option to remove any dead skin off of my feet. This is great for the body. This is great for everything because it has that perfect fast absorbing ability to it that just works so well for my skin. It's a great acne prone moisturizer for me as well because I've struggled to find those in the past. Urea is just a great ingredient and Prequel's values in all of their products are undefeated. Krave Beauty's Makeup Rewind has been the best acne prone cleansing oil for me. Kind of has a balm oil hybrid texture, a little bit more of a jelly as well. Beautiful emulsification to this product. It's super gentle, super nourishing, but yet doesn't leave a film on the skin and just provides a wonderful finish. Super effective to remove makeup and also an amazing first cleanse. I love the ingredients they chose to include in here because so many oil cleansers have broken me out and I see a lot of people talking about acne prone skin and oil cleansing, but I feel like Krave Beauty's is often not talked about in that realm. It has worked so well for my acne. Everyone's acne prone skin is different, but still this product has been a game changer for me. Recently, I've started wearing some more makeup and this product has been a lifesaver. Krave Beauty also has a beautiful acne serum. Their Oil La La serum has been a staple and a holy grail for me, utilizing its rich linoleic acid ability to transform the oil production in your skin to help treat acne in an active-free way. I love how gentle this serum is, its ability to rebuild the skin barrier, and also how nourishing it is while being so lightweight. I feel like often with acne, I treat it using more intense actives. Sometimes I forget to counteract that with more hydrating ingredients. With this product day to day in my routine, I don't even have to think about it anymore. It's just naturally restoring the skin barrier with more continued use, and it's just an easy go-to way to treat acne and breakouts. The final product from Krave Beauty that I have repurchased so much is their Great Barrier Relief. I don't talk about this product enough, but it is a serum that I used when I was getting into skincare. I remember before Krave Beauty did their whole rebrand, I had this product in the old packaging, which is a relic at this point, so nostalgic for me. It's a very situational product, but I still like to have it on hand because it is so nourishing. It utilizes tamanu oil, which is extremely healing for the skin. Love the complex they've included in here as well to just restore the skin barrier, help when your skin is sensitized, which happens to me mostly in the winter, but I use this product at night during the summer to restore my skin barrier in a very fast way. Something I keep on hand for whenever my skin is red, irritated, sensitized. I mean, it happens, it sneaks up on me. Having one of this product at all times kind of just helps me be able able to use it whenever I am experiencing any of those issues because it happens when I least expect it. Regimen Lab has one of the most innovative azelaic acid formulas in a very lightweight way. As the more advanced azelaic acid user, I have repurchased this product so much because it's been the one I've started using both day and night every day when my skin is really going through it. It has such a watery texture that absorbs into the skin so nice, and with the technology they used in here, it makes sure it reaches all of the right places with their azelaic acid delivery. That is what Regimen Lab did best with this serum and why I continue to repurchase it as someone who is acne prone. Redness, acne, post-acne hyperpigmentation, dark spots and hyperpigmentation. So many of my skin concerns have gone away and significantly reduced from using this serum, and that's why I've repurchased it so much, which is a newer product. So that is telling of how much I love this. A day-to-day peptide moisturizer that I have repurchased so much is Stratia's Interface. This is just a go-to simple moisturizer that I've also realized has amazing peptides in it, which are skin barrier supporting and also great for anti-aging as well. I'm just about to turn 25 and I'm not trying to be scared of aging with saying this, but I do like to be as preventative as possible with taking care of my skin, making sure that I feel and look my best. And with Stratia's Interface, since it has been such a go-to in my routine, I've realized that I don't have to worry as much as I thought I was going to have to, because this product not only has amazing soothing ingredients for acne like licorice root, rosehip oil, but they also have amazing skin supporting peptides, which I think has been very beneficial to me the longer that I have used it. So I don't even have to think twice about investing in a new moisturizer because I use this product so regularly that it is already delivering those great skin barrier supporting peptides, which, like I said, I'm not scared of aging, but I do like to be preventative. This is one of those ways that I do that. Byoma's Milky Toner has been one that I have recommended for so long, and it has been a product I have repurchased so much because it works amazing for my acne prone skin. The ingredients in here combined with the price point and the lightweight texture is truly what makes it stand out from anything else. So soothing for my acne, for my redness, deeply nourishing and hydrating for the skin as well. I love Byoma's products. So many of their products could have made this list because it's a skincare routine that is easy to follow, all of their products, but the Milky Toner is such a great lightweight way to deliver a nourishing benefit to the skin and be an amazing prep layer for whatever follows. Prequel's Universal Skin Solution is a hypochlorous acid mist and my go-to because of the technology in here. Hypochlorous acid is best in its simplicity, and I found that Prequel's just works the best for my skin. It's a really nice mist delivery. It's a great technology they use in here, convenient to carry with me on the go. I started to be outside and out in the elements a lot more. Whenever I come back from a walk or whenever I'm exercising or whatever I'm doing, I always keep this product with me, and that's why I've repurchased it the most. If you've watched my skincare clean out videos, I always have at least 3 of these on hand, which is not necessary. That's not a requirement, but I like to make sure I don't run out of this product because it is universal. You can use it anytime. I just don't like to use it around skincare active. I don't use it in my skincare routine either before or after. If you do, I would recommend using it before, but I personally like using it any other time. Anytime my skin feels gross, I've been outside, I've been sweating, no matter what the circumstance is, I go in with this product because it is so nourishing and it works amazing for my skin. Round Lab's Birch Moisturizing Sunscreen is a testimony to how innovative and lightweight Korean filters have been, along with the birch juice that they are known for in so many of their best-selling products. I feel like this product has been been a staple for me because no matter what layering step I go in with, it provides a perfect finishing step to my skincare routine to be moisturizing, yet not too heavy on the face. It definitely is on the heavier side, I would say, of Korean sunscreens, but because Birch has worked so well to soothe my acne-prone skin, that is why it has made the top of this list. It is the sunscreen that I have most repurchased, and I cannot stop talking about it since I tried it because I've never tried a formula that has worked so well for my acne-prone skin. Purito's Wonder Relief Centella Serum is such a great nourishing product, water gel texture for the summertime. I layer with it at any time, but I feel like it's most beneficial during the summer. I like it because it's super nourishing with no finish to the skin. Any skin type that struggles with redness, sensitivity, or irritation and or acne could benefit from this product. I've repurchased it so much because it's a very good price point, such an amazing soothing blend that they have in here, and it's just something I like to keep on hand. Experiment Super Saturated Serum has to be the best hydration serum I have ever tried because it is a snail mucin alternative with so many more jam-packed ingredients in this formula that make it more worth your money. I remember it was you all that put me onto this product, and nobody is going to take me off of it because it is so nourishing. I have never gotten more compliments on my skin than when I use this product. It gives a glow like no other and just revives my face when I feel dull, when my skin is dry or going through it. I love repurchasing this product. They have refills, so you are getting a little bit of a discount when you repurchase it, but I mean, it's already worth the value to me. Experiment is also now at Sephora, so I'm very glad that they have gotten in a major retailer because this brand is about to take off. All of their formulations are innovative, and I cannot recommend all of their products enough, but the Super Saturated has been the one I've spent most time with and also loved the most. Experiment Softwear Lip Treatment, though, is an amazing lip balm to gently exfoliate the lips with an AHA derivative, but also provide a nourishing benefit, making it the perfect duo exfoliating and nourishing lip balm all in one. Such an innovative, amazing formula for anyone. If you like a more rich lip balm, I would recommend this. If you like a lip balm with not much of a finish, I recommend it. Also fragrance free, so if you experience sensitivity to fragrance in your lip balms, there's no problem with that with this product. I love it so much, and it is just an amazing product for my skin, product for my lips. Differin Gel has been a product I have seen for a while in the drugstore. There is no reason why it took me so long to try out this product. I don't understand why I didn't. So many people were telling me to get on it when my acne was at its worst. I must say, this is another one of the products that has taken my skin for a full 180. I love how easy it is to pick up this product. I love how easy it is to use this product and its convenience of being able to use it daily, because I'm a person who loves structure. I'm a person who loves routine. This Differin Gel has not left my routine, and I can safely say it has treated active breakouts so well. No other formula has matched the level of results without sensitivity as Differin Gel has. This is such a great treatment. I really don't see myself getting off of this unless I just magically stop having acne one day. If I am acne prone, you better know Differin Gel is going to be in my routine. An acne treatment that I feel like is so worth it, and I feel like I will also continue to repurchase as long as I have acne, is Remedy's Remedy for Pore Size. This is such an amazing, innovative formula, putting together so many ingredients that have been known to treat acne separately, all together in one gentle formula. Super moisturizing, counteracts any dryness that can come from these treatments, and is blended together with some oil control ingredients like green tea to help support the skin while also treating clogged pores. I've never seen a treatment like this. It speaks to my personal skin concerns, and that's why I have repurchased it the most. I feel like this product just encapsulates everything I look for in an acne treatment. Naturium's Barrier Bounce has one of the best complexes I have ever seen to a barrier strengthening serum. I like it for more drier skin types because it has a little bit more of a milky texture. I like using it at night. I love using it during the day and at night during the winter, but specifically I use it all year round whenever my skin is just really going through it. It's an amazing price point for a great value, and with the amount of ingredients they have in here, I don't understand how they're able to sell it for so cheap. It is just an amazing skin barrier strengthening treatment, and I cannot recommend it enough. Geek and Gorgeous's retinaldehyde is hands down the best retinol serum and one of my favorite for the price point, for the texture, for the simplicity, for how it works for the skin. Retinol is an amazing technology, in my opinion, best used simply, and that is why I love Geek and Gorgeous's approach. They have an amazing complex in here to deliver the retinol in a very moisturizing yet effective way, and it's one of the best anti-aging serums, and additionally they have different buildups of concentrations. They have a 0.05, a 0.1, and a 0.2 that you can build up or stop along the way depending on how your skin tolerates it. If you see results with the 0.05, don't go up to the 0.1, and likewise with all of the treatments. I really love this formula, and I feel like it is retinol done right. Wrapping up this list, Geek and Gorgeous has an amazing gel cream with their hydration station. This is the best moisturizer for the value, and why I have continued to repurchase it. How I use it looks different depending on the weather and how my skin feels. If it's a little bit more dry out, I'll use this as a hydration step, but if it's the summer or the weather's a little bit more warm, I will use this as a really nourishing, hydrating gel cream. It is a water gel texture that is so beautiful and blends into the skin practically immediately, but still gives a nice hydration. And for the price point, you truly cannot beat this product. Let me know what your current staple routines are and which of these products is your favorite. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week. And I will see you all in the next review.